If you're in the service industry, this video is for you. Pest control, plumbing, HVAC, plumbers, roofers, whatever the blue collar job may be, this video is for you. Believe me, you're gonna wanna listen. Look, we are about to approach the slowing season. October, November, December, those are the slow months. Those are the months that you and I both know make small businesses disappear and never come back for the spring. What if I told you there was a way that you can triple your business growth this coming season? How, you might ask? Well, it's a combination of 1,000 little things, but I want to help you out with those 1,000 little things. Give me a call today. I promise we can get you visible online, we can get the phone ringing, and more importantly, we can turn this slow season into a busy season. How does that sound? Give me a call today, fill out the form below, 956-533-8350. Be sure and ask to speak with Chris. Hey, I'm right here. I want to talk to you. I have a heart for small business owners. I still am a small business owner. I still manage my small business. And guess what? It's growing exceedingly. I want to do the same for you. Give me a call. We have answers. We have solutions. I want to help you out. Gulf Coast Marketing. Fill out the form below.